Yeah, my name is Ekada Dennis. I coordinate Ampath Population Health Projects in Bungoma County. So currently, we've embarked on a point of care ultrasound project. We call it POCUS, POCUS, which basically delves in 3 areas of concern: breast, cardiopulmonary, that is heart and lung, and then obstetrics, that is pregnancy. So that we know most of our people need to get these scans, especially if we talk of a pregnant woman. Doctor will tell you WHO recommends at least a scan at every trimester. We have 3 trimesters. Most of our mothers don't get it. So we want to enable our low-level facilities, level 2, level 3. Funny enough, some level 4 facilities don't have ultrasound machines. So this point of care is a bedside ultrasonography that helps a clinician, not necessarily a sonographer or a radiographer, to be able to diagnose or detect early enough any complication in terms of whether it's pregnancy complication, somebody showing up with a breast lump that is not clear whether it's a cyst, whether it is benign or malignant, and then our people with cardiac problems, yes, at the bedside. It's portable, as you can see. I can have this one just like my phone, have it in the pocket as long as it's charged. Yeah, and I have gel, the normal ultrasound gel. I'm able to do the scan. At the patient's convenience. You can do it at home. You don't need to wheel somebody to a radiology department. I know Dr. will tell you now what will happen with our radiology department. This is to help clinicians, physicians make those decisions at the bedside before you wheel a patient to a radiology department. Yes. The project is supposed to run in 6 Western Kenya counties where Ampath operates in. Bungoma County is the first one to have this. And this is the largest project that a donor has ever invested in sub-Saharan Africa for just one county. In fact, you'll go to the national level, no one has ever had such huge funding for such a project, even at national level. But we're doing this at county level. So Bungoma County is lucky, they'll get 147 probes that will be distributed across all 10 sub-counties. We are training healthcare workers, nurses, clinical officers, and medical officers across all facilities in the 10 sub-counties in Bungoma. We are done with the Webuye West, Webuye East. We are through with Tongarin, Kimilili. So we are now headed to Sirisia and Kabuchai. Their training, in-person training, starts on 5th. So currently they are doing online modules because you have to go through online modules before you come for the in-person training. Yes. So immediately we finish the training, we distribute the devices. So Webuye West, Webuye East have devices already. We distributed 28 of them.
How long do the training last?
The training in the 3 areas lasts 6 days. So we divide the county into half because we don't want to close facilities. If there are 2 nurses in a dispensary, one comes week 1, the other comes in week 2. If a department in a facility like BCRH, now this one is now categorized into departments: maternity, casualty, you will get a medical ward. So these are divided. Okay, if you have 6 personnel picked from that particular department, we pick 3 trained this week and the other 3 are trained the other week. I think around 650 medical workers across the county, across all facility levels. We're also working with faith-based organizations. We have trained Lugulu, we are coming to train St. Domiano, we train Dreamland in community because these are people who are really giving help to our County tano. Singependa kuongelea niseme 3 za kwanza. Bungoma, tutaende Elgeyo Marakwet, tuende Busia. Hizo zingine 3 tutazichagua wakati ukifika.
It can be used by nurses, by clinical officers, by doctors to pick pregnancy-related complications, to pick heart, complications. Can also be used to pick breast lumps. Even when a client has, abdominal bleeding, it can help us to diagnose. So the beauty about this POCUS is it's portable, and in fact, where we are going, every doctor, every clinician should have it. You can see it. You can see the heart pumping. So it's much better than using a stethoscope. You need it. So and even if a client was involved in an accident, maybe a border, you're not sure if they're abdominal bleeding or not. Even your interior, you can be able to say, this client has internal bleeding. Let me refer this client early. So I think this is one area where AI is going to help us to improve care. Also, I want to thank the Ministry of Health for setting up guidelines on how these podcasts are going to be used. Previously, this training ultrasound was not done by doctors, but currently, with the guidelines support from the government, all healthcare workers are going to be empowered, and in future it's going to be part of the training. So that as you train as a doctor, you train as a midwife. This is going to be part of the training on how to use these gadgets. Hii maintenance itakuwa cheaper because sasa ndio kwanza kuingia, so bei iko juu. Kama hii moja ni around $500,000. Hii machine na sonda hapa hivi ni $3.5 million. So of course ilipiko kadogo portable, so pia companies ni chache. Ikiendwa vizuri, then pia itasaidia kwa muda mrefu. So hizi 148 zitasaidia pakubwa, but kwa hazitoshi. Inafaa kila hospitali, hata kila daktari akuwe nayo. So sasa itasaidia because sasa hizi zitaenda kwa level 2 and level 3. Hizi machine hakuna. So at least we have most of the, kama 70% of the facilities public zitakuwa covered. Tunaenda kwa hizo zahanati za level 2 and level 3. Hata sasa nyingi zinaenda huko. Watisi kwa sasa tuna hizi kubwa za kutumia. Kwa hiyo inahitaji sana hizo level 2 and level 3.
Facility in the county.
Kama sasa already training ishaanza na bado inaendelea. So kila daktari anapewa hizi vifaa atafunzwa kutumia. Na pia sasa bado ziko chache na bado ziko expensive. With time pia zitakuwa nyingi na kwa more accessible kwa daktari wengi. Kuna mpangilio ya serikali kuweka e-training kwa part of training curriculum. So daktari watakuwa wakifuzu hapo mbele, watakuwa na hiyo ujuzi kutoka kwa college. Yeah. Sasa baada before kama hizi tunapia more confidence. Tunajua watoto wetu na wamama outcomes zitakuwa nzuri. Mama pia akiwa dispensary yake kujifungua, anajua dispensary pia ilifaa, but complication ilikuwa na issue hata kufanya mapema. Na pia akijifungua watakuwa na imani nzuri kwa dispensaries zetu. Kwa sababu tunataka watu wetu walikuwa na shida waende kwa karibu na nyumbani. Hii ndio mambo ya UHC na papa katika. Lakini kwa mgonjwa kwa kwanza anakimbilia huko. So hii ni njia pia kuimarisha dispensary zetu kupeana huduma nzuri. Na vifaa kama hizi tena zitasaidia pakubwa kuhakikisha hiyo huduma ya primary healthcare hapo kwa level 2 na 3 na imarika.